In this video, I'm going to show you the primary controls on a motorcycle. So these are the controls for getting your bike to go, turn, and stop. So I'm going to go ahead and mount up here. If you haven't learned how to do that safely, go ahead and watch that video. So now that I'm mounted, I want to take a look at all my primary controls. So the first primary control is going to be my throttle. It's located right here. It's the right hand grip itself. Notice how the hand grip actually twists and rotates. That is my throttle. You want to operate the throttle by rolling on to increase your speed and rolling off to decrease your speed. The next of our primary controls is going to be my clutch lever. Notice it's this lever here, this purple one located in front of my left hand grip. This is my clutch. You want to operate your clutch by squeezing it in and then easing it out nice and smooth. The next of my primary controls is going to be my front brake lever. This is the purple lever over here located in front of my throttle, in front of my right hand grip. You want to operate your front brake by squeezing it in smoothly and then releasing. So squeeze and release. The next of my primary controls is going to be my gear shift lever. So I can keep my right foot down on the ground for balance, put my left foot on the foot peg, and I can practice using this gear shift lever. So to upshift, to shift up to higher gears, I can hook my toes underneath and lift up till I hear a click. To downshift, I can put my foot on top and press down to shift down to a lower gear. That's your gear shift lever. Now I can switch feet, put my right foot on the foot peg to show you the next primary control, which is your rear brake pedal. So notice it's located in front of your right foot peg here. To operate it, I want to press down and then release. Press down and release. And the last of your primary controls to get your motorcycle to go, turn, and stop is the handlebars themselves. So notice I can turn them to the left, I can turn them to the right. That'll help for steering and turning. And all these other controls up here are attached to the handlebars to help you. So now that we've learned about all our primary controls, we're ready to take this motorcycle out for a spin, right? We have another problem we need to be aware of first, and that's to learn all of the other controls that are located on these handlebars and the rest of the bike, which will help keep us safe out on the road. So make sure you watch this video next to learn all about them.